Assalamualaikum guys, hope you're well and hope you're having a great day. Thank you so much for joining me today. So I have made cornflakes tart after a request from a sister asking for this recipe. So let's go straight onto it. So I am adding plain flour to the surface, and then I've got rolled out short crust pastry. You can use any brand that you prefer, and I'm just kind of flattening it slightly. And now adding the rolled out short crust pastry to an oven proof serving dish. With your fingers, press down the pastry so it's in the corners of the tin. And now using a knife, just cut out the excess pastry on the edges, but make sure that you don't cut too much because it will shrink when it bakes as well. Now get some baking paper and crease that up, and this will help it just go in all the corners of the tin. So I've used ceramic baking beans, but you can also use rice or pasta as well. This now goes in the oven 180 Celsius for about 20 to 25 minutes. This is now done, and I'm now going to remove the ceramic baking beans into a dish just until it cools down, and then I can pop it back into the container. So now back in the oven at 180 Celsius for a further 15 minutes. So here I make this and then had to double the quantity, so all the ingredients are in the description below. So yep, for the correct measurements please see the description below. So I've added butter in the pan, and now going to add the brown sugar. Finally adding golden syrup, and then giving this all a good mix. The heat is on low to medium, just going to give it a little mix, and when it's all combined we're just going to take the heat off. Now adding the cornflakes and then giving that a good mix until it's all combined really well. So once the pastry cools down after baking, we're going to add jam and just spread it evenly like so. And finally add the delicious cornflakes filling and just spread it evenly again, and then we're going to bake this again at 180 Celsius for a further 10 minutes or until it's golden on top. And yeah, it is now made, alhamdulillah, and it's smelling so good. My husband was so eager to eat this that it was cooled down but not fully cooled down. So I recommend you wait a little longer and you can cut through it a lot easier. But nevertheless, it tasted amazing, and I'm so glad that my husband enjoyed it as well. I hope you liked this video guys. Please thumbs up if you did, and also subscribe to my channel. Until next time, Allah Hafiz.